we have identified 2,857 lakes in the city of Hyderabad in the metropolitan region. We can proudly say that Hyderabad is a city of lakes. It has 2,857 lakes. We are now in the exercise of fixing the boundaries of the lake, the FTL boundaries of the lake, getting the latitude, longitude data of the thing, and putting of boundary stones so as to preserve and protect these lakes. We are also asking the NGRI to map the drain network for all these lakes, both the inlet drains and the outlet drains, so that we have a continuous catchment area diagram with us. We are also taking efforts for beautification of some of these lakes. We have identified about 258 lakes, of which 120 falls in GHMC area and 130 falls in the HMDA area. In the HMDA area, 80 lakes will be taken up by the HMDA and 50 lakes by the irrigation department, and government is granting us special funds for this purpose. We are also seeing that a full-fledged memoir of each lake is created with full data about the lake, its boundaries, its survey numbers, which it is covered under the FTL and the buffer zone, so that in the long run these lakes have a permanent record which can be useful for protecting these lakes. I look forward to participation of the whole community of concerned citizens of Hyderabad in this exercise and taking this step forward. We are soon also going to have, once the boundaries are demarcated, and adopt a lake scheme under which we request the resident welfare associations to come forward and adopt the lakes in their vicinity. This will help not only improve the local environment, but will also help in protecting the lakes. 258 lakes have been taken up for beautification, of which 80 lakes by HMDA, 50 lakes by irrigation department, and 128 lakes by the GHMC. We will try to complete all these beautification works by March 2013. We will ground all the works before December and try to complete all these works by thing. It is essentially about cleaning up of the area and planting of trees on the surroundings so that it is having a good appearance. We'll have to get, for some of these lakes, we'll have to get a detailed estimates prepared, DPR prepared. We can put it for Lake Conservation Project of Government of India, or we can take our own sources of funds and try taking up these projects in an increasing way. We are also asking the Resident Welfare Association to organize sponsors so that they can also come and participate in it financially, so that they can also take up beautification measures. Thank you.